particularly look empowering girls. This is a great initiative. Open your wallets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children, whatever you could, and no compulsion. Let's get going. How about we start which corner? We have already done donation. You any more? You already did. Very good, excellent, thank you. How about this table? You have already made the contributions. Anyone for 3 children?
She is for 5 kids.
5 kids here? Thank you. Any up there, back table? Right there. Thank you.
They are doing 10 children.
Dr. Rana is gonna.
Busha Ashton is going to actually support 5 children, and her parents, Nuzat and Shakur, they are going to do another 5 children.
Congratulations, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please raise your hands if you want to donate.
So I'm going to give it back to Gala, but I just want to thank each and every one of you coming out today and supporting the great cause. And it was very inspiring when I was listening to what they're doing out there. So thank you again, and Gala, back to you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dhaliwal. Thank you for being here.